Okay, disregard the mess that's going to be on the table. I'm showing you two fold open box cutters. This one, they're both lockable. Of course, the cutter's reversible. I'm not going to mention where I got them from. I've got another one here. It's much lighter. Okay, so for those of you that are knife fans, you know, that's great. I'm a knife guy too. I'm a huge knife guy. I mean, I'll give you an example. Right here. I mean, look at this. I mean, even Jeff Cutlery Lover loves CRKT. Look at that. That is a hellacious knife. So I'm going to leave that there. Then, of course, we've got the Kershaw Skyline. An epic knife from all the years. Still have that. I've got knives everywhere. But what I've gotten into lately is mostly these box cutter knives. You know why? Okay, I'll tell you why. First of all, as I mentioned, their blades are reversible. Then, after they start getting rusty or getting dull, I've got these. Okay. 50 replaceable double-edged razor blades. And they're carbide tips. They're gonna cut really well. So why would I waste my knives? Yes, I have a huge knife collection, but for simple tasks, yes, I like the utility knives. They're fine. These are made in the USA, by the way. Now, I don't know the heat treatment that they go through, but the carbide tips, that's great. It's tremendous. So we got that. We've got these, they're foldable, of course. I've got plenty more knives than just this. But anyway, I'm just, I'm stocking up, man, because I want to keep my knives a little bit in good condition and just use my box cutters for all the rest, like staples and straps on boxes and whatnot, and tape gunk and stuff like glue, all that stuff. So these, the red one's a little bit heavier. The clear one's a lot lighter. They're all good. I'll update you after I test them a little bit longer.